Spanning over 6,000 square foot of living space, the Old Rectory dates back to 1865.
Comprehensively restored in the late 1990s, further improvements have been done in most recent years.
This stunning piece of history sits on 2.3 acres of land and is surrounded by nature and also benefits from plenty of living space.
With an abundance of privacy, this is the pinnacle of countryside living.
So as soon as you walk through the door, you're presented with a very spacious entry hallway which has access to multiple parts of the house. To my left, we have the first living space area.
This room is flooded with natural light. It's got the original wooden flooring, high ceilings, the original fireplace, the perfect spot to relax and entertain guests. If you like cooking, then this kitchen is ideal for you. It comes with a central island, an electric Aga cooker. It is filled with natural light and is extremely spacious. This kitchen is perfect to hold family gatherings.
Following on from the kitchen, you have a beautiful dining area which overlooks the garden and has a recently renovated annex. In the annex, you can see that they've added an office to the top, extremely high ceilings, and below you have a living space area which again has access to the garden. In terms of space and layout, this property comprises of 5 living spaces downstairs. 2 of them are currently being used as offices, and there's another 3 receptions which can be turned into whatever suits your needs. Following on upstairs, the layout comprises of 5 bedrooms, 3 of which have en-suites and the other 2 share a large spacious family bathroom. In terms of pricing, the average pound per square foot in this area is 323, which brings the value of the property to well over 2 million. With that said, this is a fantastic opportunity for you to get your hands on this great property. We're currently looking at offers over 1.5, so if you're interested in a property and want to come and take a closer look at it, book yourself into our exclusive open house day which we'll be hosting very soon.